we are going to be unboxing my paid for Boxycharm Base Box, you guys. I have not opened it. You see the seal is still there. I'm pretty excited, as well as I'm pretty pumped with this lipstick. I am so far outside my comfort zone, but I'm kind of enjoying it. This is the MAC Shamelessly Vain Uber Red. It's like a reddish orange lipstick. It's super pretty. I received it in my, I think it was in my Chic beauty box a bit ago. If it wasn't in, yeah, no, it was definitely my Chic beauty box. So anyways, guys, that's not what today's video is all about. Welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where we always embrace the hot mess. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax. I can't stop. I'm starting to sweat. I'm not used at all to this red lipstick. Okay, anywho, we're not here to be professional. We're here to have a good old time. We play in makeup, we unbox makeup, we talk about makeup, and at the end of the day, y'all, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. So, anywho, stick around, subscribe. I upload all the time. Sometimes you get double, triple uploads in one day. Monday through Friday. Standard is 12:15 Eastern time, and then on the weekends 9 p.m. and I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Momma Vlogs. Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. I upload, and then of course Haley has her own channel where she does unboxing. She does really fun, interesting, and intricate makeup looks. And then of course I'm still nagging because we are like, I think it's like 15 or 1600, I think it's 1600 away from our 10K over on Instagram. So help your girl out, give me a follow, I would greatly appreciate it. And let's go ahead and jump into our Boxycharm Base Box for November. Okay guys, I am 10 times outside my comfort zone, outside my comfort zone, outside my comfort zone, don't you know? I'm outside my comfort zone. Okay, so if you guys are new to Boxycharm, the Boxycharm Base Box is $25 a month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. And I see one item that I was so flippin' hoping that I got, and that was this right here. I wanted this so flippin' bad. Okay, so interestingly enough, I got two cards, but they're the same variation. So every single month we do get a little card in here, and it does give us like a theme to what the boxes are. This month's theme is Boxycharm Harvest. And if you look at the bottom of your card, down here in the corner, you will see your variation. Now this is variation 12, and I don't think I've seen this particular variation. I could be wrong, I don't really know. Let's be honest. What I can tell you, again, this is my paid for box. I actually put my daughter's names on here, so Boxycharm doesn't know or anything like that who it's coming to. So like I said, I was wanting this so bad. I actually picked it up in Boxy pop-up because I was that excited about it. I saw a lot of people receive this. This is the Ginseng Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiant Polishing Mask. Like I said, I wanted this like something fierce. A little information, it's a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, and supple and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. I have to open it up, I have to smell it, because here, fun fact, I don't like to drink pumpkin spice lattes or eat pumpkin pie, but I love that scent. Like, I absolutely love the scent of that. So, and it has the pumpkin scent. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna I'm so gonna use this. I'm so gonna use this tonight. I'm so excited. So this does have a retail value of $45, guys. It is a full size. All the items in your base box are full size products. So I am super duper uber excited about that. The next item I see in here is by Earth Harbor. This is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Pulley. So I have received this particular item in another subscription box. I have used it. I love this stuff. This stuff is so nice, so relaxing. It's like if you have any type of inflammation to your skin, you're going to absolutely love this. If you do like an exfoliant or like any type of like a BHA, AHA type of peel or something. I don't know if this is exactly that. It's probably not. But anywho, if you do one of those types of masks or you use like one of those exfoliating type of tools, this feels so nice on your skin after you use this. So anyways, a little information about this. This is the Earth Harbor's Natural Helio Anti-Pollution Youth of Puli. It does have a retail value of $48. And like I said, there is a ton of like wonderful ingredients in here. It does help to balance your skin's pH and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. This thing is absolutely amazing. So I like that we're seeing this in here. A little fun fact over here on the box, this is a woman-owned brand, so I love the fact we are seeing this in our Boxycharm box. It's also plant-based. There's no GMOs. It is cruelty-free. It's vegan, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy, and it is small batch made. So love that. The next item in here is by Jacob Black. This is the liquid corrector 2.0. It's vegan and cruelty free. It is a liquid corrector, and I don't know, I already have one open, so I'm not gonna like totally open this one up, but this is what the little squeezy tube does look like. I will tell you guys, when I did unbox this in my PR box, I really liked it. I found that it was like nice and hydrating. It didn't feel like, I don't know what the right word would be, but it wasn't anything that felt like it would be drying underneath the eyes or anything. So anywho, it does have a retail value of $15, and it says, meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula does create a natural glowing finish. And definitely make sure to check me out over on Instagram, because I will be doing and creating a look using a lot of the November Boxycharm items. Now, when it comes to the base box, like I said, it is $25 a month. You do get to customize one item in the box. The box will have at least $125 worth of goodies. This month I did go ahead and choose the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is a brow gel, and I chose the shade 1. So if you guys don't know, I actually just posted a video talking a little bit about the fact that I fake my brows. You guys have been asking for a tutorial on it. A lot of you suffer from autoimmune issues, specifically thyroid issues, that has caused you to lose like the middle to out portion of your brow. That's what I'm dealing with. So what I do is, you know, fill it in with a pencil, and then I go back in with a fiber based brow gel. I literally, guys, I am so in my own head right now with these reddish orange lips that I'm like, looking in my camera, looking in my mirror right now, that's all I can see. I could have this stuff all over my teeth, and thankfully it's a judgment-free zone, so don't call me out on it. Anywho, I did, like I said, go with the lightest shade, because right now I'm currently using the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade Haze. I love this stuff. It is part of Boxy Pop-Up as well. And the nice thing about this is the fact that it is nice, and it's got the fibers, and it really helps to give like a little bit of dimension to your brows. And because it has Kush in there, or I shouldn't say Kush, hemp, I think it was like hemp derived oils or something, it helps to condition. So that was a long tangent, but anywho, I chose the Gimme Brow. I just wanted to tell you that the Milk Kush was part of Boxy Pop-Up. Oh yeah, and as far as the shades go, they are the Haze for Milk and shade 1 for the Gimme Brow are very, very similar. Like very similar, guys. So this one, I don't know, you guys can tell this side is the Milk and then this side is the Gimme Brow. Very good. Okay, and the next item I see in here is, I'm really excited, the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, guys. I am so excited. So many of you guys have told me that you have received this in your box, And I told you guys, Joe did a live talking about the fact that a lot of people would be seeing this palette in their boxes. I already have one that is open. So I did receive one in PR. I have played around with it. There is a full dedicated video to this palette as well as on Instagram for you guys as well. It is so pretty. It does have a retail value of $48 and I feel like the quality is right there with everything we expect when it comes to Natasha Denona. Now these, like I told you guys in the past video, these are shades that are already in her other palettes. She just curated this specifically for Boxycharm, but these are already, you know, shades that we have seen in other palettes. So anywho, love this. It does have a retail value of $48. It's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches for her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic. And here's where these shades come from: the Biba Safari Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You can find yourself reaching for this all season long. I absolutely love this palette. I think it is a great palette. Like I said, this is my purchase for box, and I now have an extra peak palette. So you guys know what that means? If you guessed giveaway, you are correct. So what I've decided to do is I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway in this video. What you guys will be receiving is this little palette right here, the $48 Natasha Denona palette. So as always, I keep my giveaways super duper easy. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed. And if you guys have an Instagram, if you guys could go over to my Instagram at hotmessmama4 and give me a follow. I am trying to grow our following over there on Instagram so I can get that 10K swipey uppy. But just make sure you are subscribed. Leave the best way to get a hold of you down below. I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do this giveaway ending December 12th. Then that way, hopefully you guys will have this palette in time for Christmas if you guys are interested. But yeah, I want to give back. So anyways, guys, if you did not receive this palette, now you've got a chance. Enter into the giveaway down below. I'll leave information in the description box for you guys as well if you guys are interested. I hope you guys are excited about that. We just ended one giveaway and I will be posting one giveaway as well over on our Instagram. So make sure to follow me as well over there and tag some friends. I would greatly appreciate it. As far as this particular variation, this one, my paid for box is my most favorite box. Period. Hands down. I got everything that I wanted. I got absolutely everything that I was hoping to receive, especially this Ginseng pumpkin turmeric mask. It has me 10 times of excited. So anyways, guys, let me know what your favorites were as far as your Boxycharm Base Box. I did already do a video showing my paid for premium box, and Boxy pop-up is actually still going on the day that I'm filming this. I am filming this on Thursday. I'm hoping to get this video up for you guys tonight as well so you guys can see what was in my paid for box. I am all over the place, guys. Like, who knew that a shade of red lipstick could mess with you that much? You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, don't forget, enter into the giveaway. Leave the best way to get a hold of you, whether that be your email, your Instagram handle, what have you. Leave that down below. And this is going to go on, like I said, until December 12th. You have to be subscribed. Make sure you stay subscribed. Please don't just like go over, give me a follow, or hit that subscribe button and then leave. That's not fair. I love to do giveaways for everybody who is my constant here watching support system. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, don't forget to check out my second channel if you guys want to go over there and give me a little subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyways, friends, I'm rambling. I'm all over the place. I'm gonna just have to take this lipstick off. Maybe that's what I should do, is just play around in this color and get used to seeing myself in this before I sit down and film in it. Kind of makes more sense. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.